Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renee from Everett Vlogs. And today we're actually be doing an open box for our Galaxy S10 we had just received in the mail. So I would like to also just do a little description of what the S10 contains with the features and everything. So I'm gonna give you all the information, the tech specs right now.
Okay guys, the features for the Galaxy S10, which are, it's a 6.1 QHD plus cinematic infinity display, 10 megapixel front facing camera, wireless power share, Pro Assist, scene optimizer and shot suggestion, Bixby routines, expandable memory, you got the AR emoji, water and dust resistant, fast wireless charging. You also got the Bluetooth 5.0. You also got the 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel and 16 megapixel rear facing camera. All day intelligent battery. Long lasting 3400 mAh battery. One UI design language. Dual aperture, super slow motion capture, stereo speakers, 4K video capture. Android 9.0, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8.55, Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 octa-core plus quad 1.7 gigahertz. Well, the next thing, you actually got a battery talk time, which goes up to 34 hours. You also got the battery standby time, which is up to 3.67 days. You also got the display, the 6.1 QHD, you got the display resolution 3040 by 1440 pixels. You got the frequency quad band GSM LTE 245 12 46 66 71. There's the hearing compatibility M4 T3. You also got the connectivity. You got the ABG and AC units, HSDPA, HSPA plus, and LTE. That's pretty cool. You also got the Tier 5 Android Pay, which majority of the Androids come with it. And it's a 5.86 by 2.77 by 31 inches. And it weighs about 5.53 ounces. Also got the camera photos with the 10 megapixel front facing camera.
Okay guys, time for the big unravel of the S10. Dude, that is freaking sick. Just the box alone is like, it's like little bit of holographic. Now let's take a look at what the best baby inside is. It's wrapped right here.
Damn!
Look at this dude.
That is sexy. It comes with the phone. It comes with a little manual and everything inside it, with the little Samsung pick for the memory card, so you can transfer from one device to another. Comes with the charger, with the USB dongle adapter. I don't know if you've ever seen a dongle adapter, guys. It's a USB 3.0 with the USB, and this is a USB 3.0 USB charging. The charger cable comes with some headphones, the ones that you put on, the ones with the cable, and it has all the features in the back. I don't know if you can see that. Let's turn it on. It's turning on. It's turning on. Freaking huge screen, guys. Telling me let's go. I'm not joking with you. Let's go. Yes, I agreed to all of it. I don't like nobody ever reads it. It's asking me if I want to. If it's asking me if I want to transfer my old data, bring your old data. Not really. I could just skip this for now because I usually transfer everything through my external and stuff like that. Let me connect to the Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi. Ooh, I got it. I got my Wi-Fi. You don't have to see my Wi-Fi. I'm gonna agree to the terms and conditions. I have to agree, unfortunately. And let's take a look around the phone. Check out some new features, see if it has any features. I don't want to restore. It has the power button. I'll set this up later. Face recognition, pattern, fingerprints. Not now. I don't need that right now. I can set that up later. It has the, I don't know if these, the volume up and down with the, I don't know what the hell, I guess the Bixby. They're asking for app. Review additional apps. It wants to download McAfee. Adding finishes touches. Damn. It's signing in, guys. Bring your data from the Samsung cloud. I finished the setup process for the new phone. All done. Now you gotta click at the bottom. Man, guys, I am like so excited. This is like freaking sick. Dude, that is freaking sick. Look, all the way down here to the bottom of the bezel, all the way to the top, the phone screen. Like, guys, look at this. That's freaking sick. The camera's right here in the corner, and the screen goes all the way to the top, guys. All the way to pretty much the sides around it, even to the bottom. They actually, Google actually added the new button interfaces right here on the new update. See the bottom buttons right here? Google just added those at the bottom to go back to the main and then to the task killer right here. So Google just added that to the Android, so it's pretty dope to the new update. I don't know if it's Google or Samsung, whoever controls the operating system. So it's pretty dope, guys. So far, I've already got my email set up, so I gotta transfer my SIM card over. These guys, yeah, due to the fact that I had to get that, so that was my main purpose for getting that new phone. So, like, most people don't realize that this right here, or does it get out of here? Look at this. Let's get this little clip right here, this little pick, and let's actually stab it over here into the other phone, to the S7 coming out, just so I could take out that chip out. So I could take out my SIM card and my memory card out and slap it into the new the S10, guys. And guys, it's just pretty much, the layout's the same. Slap this memory card, micro, slap this one in. As you can see, guys, I just slapped it in. See, I slapped it in there. I'm just gonna slap it back into the top area where I took it off right here. Now let's see if it works. Searching, 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 searching. Boom! I got service. Well, I'm assuming. What do y'all think about this phone? Like, to me, this is like really good. I'm really impressed with it. Dude, that is freaking sick too. The front-facing camera is really good. It's almost like using the G7X, what I'm using currently. You know this stuff, man. Motion photos, stabilizations, stuff like. I'm totally gonna recommend this. This is pretty much gonna conclude the video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Please make sure you subscribe, like this video, and to turn on your post notification, guys, and stay up to date. So.